I have completed my videos on the Maytech 765 wing, F765 wing. I went over every pin on it, what it does, how it does it basically, and set it up in INav and made it work. And then I went back over everything in Ardupilot because the board runs flavors of each. It runs INav best. This was my first time working with INav. This is my first time working with this type of hardware. I've been Ardupilot for 9 years, so this is part of my switching to do INav and INav type hardware. So I have now looked at the 765, just about everything in it, hardware wise, peripherals for it, GPSs, cameras, video transmitters, RC receivers, LED strips, buzzers, telemetry radios. I will do the software parts as I come to them in a build. Not sure what I'm going to use this or even the 743 wing, H743 wing on at this time. I'm still building up a couple of ArduPlane platforms. Have any questions, comments, criticisms, please post them below. But that's the end of the 765 series for now. I'm going to go on to other things.